On February the 24th, 2022, Russian hackers attacked the satellite company Viasat. Customers all over Europe were hit with an immediate loss of communication, among them the Ukrainian military. An hour later, Russia's invasion began. This was one of the first examples of how cyber attacks can aid military forces on the ground. The Kremlin has always denied being responsible for cyber attacks like these. But now, leaked files give a never-before-seen insight into Russia's cyber warfare tactics. The Vulkan files contain thousands of pages of emails, internal documents, projects and contracts from a private Russian IT firm. NTC Vulkan may look like a normal cybersecurity company. However, the files show a close connection to the Russian military and intelligence agencies. Since 2011, Vulkan has received special government licenses to work on classified military projects. Tools developed by the company for the Russian military can be used to support hacking operations, spread disinformation, and even control sections of the internet. Let's look at two examples. ScanV, a tool for digital reconnaissance. Hackers look for weak spots, aiming for potentially vulnerable servers or network devices so that they can penetrate computer systems successfully. ScanV makes this happen. The system scans the internet for vulnerabilities, which are then stored for use in future cyber attacks. The leaked documents link this tool to the infamous team Sandworm. Also known as Unit 74455, Sandworm is a hacker group working for Russia's military intelligence agency GRU. Experts say it's highly likely that Sandworm is using tools like ScanV to identify potential targets. And in 2017, the world was made aware of what can happen when weak spots are found. At the time, Sandworm compromised a Ukrainian tax software. Through this software, a virus spread and thereby encrypted computers, rendering them unusable. The attack was meant to target Ukraine and destabilize the country. However, the targeted software was used on a global scale, affecting computers of businesses worldwide. Suddenly, shipping firms, postal systems and even hospitals were pushed offline. The virus, called NotPetya, was the most economically destructive piece of malware in history. US officials estimated the damage to be at around 8 billion euros. ScanV can create such devastating cyber attacks by identifying and locating weak spots for hackers. However, it is still unclear if it was used in this specific case. Amazit is a blueprint for controlling the internet in regions under Russia's command. It enables the military to take control of the internet and thereby remove any traffic that they could deem as politically harmful and obstructive. Amazit can manage, collect and modify information in a specific geographical area. The military could identify individual users with this tool and see their internet history or what they choose to upload. To achieve this, they need physical access to hardware, for example, mobile phone towers. Once a network is infiltrated, traffic can be intercepted. The military complex of Russia is as big as it is obscure. Internal details very rarely reach the outside world. The Vulkan files have changed that. They are the first massive leak from this well-kept secret. Usually, cybersecurity experts only find traces of cyber attacks. Through these traces, the attack can be reconstructed. But now, there is a rare insight into the planning and organization of hacks like these. It cannot be confirmed that tools developed by Vulkan have been used in Russian cyber attacks, but the leaks do show the massive architecture and effort behind Russian cyber warfare machinery. We can assume that other countries are investing in cyber warfare as well. Leaks like the Vulkan files can help understand the tactics behind such debilitating attacks. This makes it easier to take protective measures against them.